So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube 3 into 3. So first you will need to know the notations and remember it. And as you practice more and more, you will get it more and more. So these are the following notations. Please note it. Now I'm gonna show you how to do these all things. So let's get started. So sorry guys, those who don't have cube, I'm really sorry. So this is R and R prime, R and R prime. So if clockwise then R and counterclockwise means R prime. So we will have this and this. See my fingers also this. So L and L prime. So see this will be L and L prime. L and L prime. See my fingers also. This thumb and two fingers here. Okay, two fingers are there. So clockwise means L and counterclockwise means L prime. So like this only, all those notations will also be done. So thanks for watching and please subscribe, like and share.